welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be taking down these twists I did the other day. It's been about 2 days or so. I want to go ahead and take them out so my hair can start getting bigger and everything. So I just want to show you my takedown process and everything. Before I do that, I'm doing my little oil concoction or whatever. So I'm just gonna do about a pump because I don't want my hair to be really oily. And a pump goes a long way. And I'm just gonna rub that all over my hair just to kind of eliminate the frizz that I might get. And then rub it on my scalp, my edges. Just making sure my hair is thoroughly coated. Right. I'm gonna start in the back and work my way up. That's how I normally do. So because I have a lot of time today and I can actually do how I want to do, so I'm gonna start with this twist. First of all, can we just see how juicy this twist look in that bounciness? So anyway, stop filling my hair. So normally, let's check out the definition. So, oh yeah, that's some nice definition. Look at that. The shrinkage is real. But anyway, so what I normally do is I just run my hands down the strands, and where it naturally wants to separate is like where I'll pull it apart at. Then I'll just run my fingers down to make sure there's not a lot of frizz. And just let it do what it do. So, and then just to make sure the ends are not really frizzy, because that's why I see the most frizz is actually on my ends. Since the hair and my fingers are coated with oil, it really minimizes the frizz that I get, unless I create it on my own, which is always the point. Okay, and this is how this one twist looks. Now do over here. So if your hands start to feel a tad bit dry, like there's no oil on them, just add a little bit to your fingertips. That way it'll help minimize all of that frizz. But you don't want to like over saturate your hair with oil, because it may make it oily actually. And we don't want oily hair, which I learned the hard way. Not the hard way, but it breaks you out. Too much oil, like on your face and stuff. So split in two. It almost reminds me of like shingling my hair. I don't know why, maybe it's because the pieces and the technique. Right, so I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my head and just fast forward this. Okay, so I'm done separate. Oh wait, I missed one. How did I miss one? It's weird. Okay. All right. So as you see, how did I keep missing these? Like, what is really going on? Somebody tell me. Make sure I ain't missing no other one. Okay. So the only parts of my hair I haven't untwisted yet is the flat twist that I have, because I'm going to do something specific. But as you should have noticed, if not, that's fine. I didn't separate the front that much because I wanted to keep a lot of the definition, but I did separate a lot more in the back. But let me show you guys what I kind of want to do with my flat twist. Kind of keep them looking nice and tight. So I'm gonna use like these little gold hair accessories just to kind of keep it tight, like how it puffs up in, and make sure that when I unravel the ends, it doesn't the whole flat twist doesn't come loose. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna do, and it gives it a little something extra. Mind you, these I'm not just gonna have them on the end, but this is just something, a little trick that I figured out in the last week or so. And give yourself a reason to be cute. So, but I'm gonna add extra pieces along the flat twist. Just don't want to get them a little too tight. That's too long. This one is small, so I think I just leave the one. All right. Okay, so this is how my hair looks so far. I think it's good for day one hair. It's still a lot of definition. And yeah, I like this shape. If you watch the actual twisting video, you'll see how I kind of like wanted my shape to go, even though like I'm waiting for it to get bigger so the shape become more what I like. But for right now, so it's definitely longer towards the top and more shrunken at the bottom, which is fine with me. But yeah, let me give you a look at the back. Yeah, let me know if you like this style. I do recommend giving yourself at least 20 minutes if you're going to separate it how I separate it, just because as I was watching it count, I saw it was about like 15 minutes, and then you probably want to take like a couple minutes to fluff and get your shape the way that you like it, with or without the accessories and whatnot. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Please comment down below if you have any questions or any video recommendations that you would like to see, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.